The Crosstrek, it's gonna be breathing better, and me, I'm gonna be breathing cleaner. Hey guys, so we got a package in the mail from Overtake USA. Had the pleasure of meeting these guys at Boxer Fest last year, Boxer Fest 2025. And great people, really involved in the Subaru community. So I wanted to support these guys when I had the chance, and the time is now. So let's take a look to see what's in this box. All right, so I got two filters from Overtake. One for me, one for the car. I got the in-cabin airflow filter from Overtake USA. This will help me breathe better, breathe cleaner air. I've had this car for 5 years now. I got the Crosstrek in, I think it was June of 2021. New, so I have yet to change the cabin air filter, so I'm excited to see what this thing looks like when I pull it out. And I got their max airflow filter for the Crosstrek, so we'll pop the hood and exchange that and see how dirty that one is too. So here we are under the hood. Right here is where your air filter is going to live. So it doesn't look awful, surprisingly, for being 5 years old. Remember all that wildfire smoke that came in from Canada? That is probably trapped in here. Some bugs and some other dust and dirt. So honestly, it doesn't look bad. Two more things I want to say about Overtake is I ordered these filters on a Friday and I got them on a Tuesday. So they shipped on Friday within hours of me ordering. They were in state on Monday and delivered early afternoon on Tuesday. So shout out to the guys at Overtake for fast quality shipping. So this isn't nearly as bad as what I thought it would be, given it has not been changed in 5 years. And given all the dirt, dust, Canadian wildfire smoke, all that crap that we've had to deal with, it's in pretty good shape, actually. So that's good, but I'm excited to be able to say that I supported Overtake and that, you know, the car has a new filter, can breathe a little bit better. I have a new filter and I can breathe a little bit better. It is pretty crusty. Out with the old. I'm also really excited for more products from Overtake. Obviously, Overtake is focusing on the large majority of Subaru owners, which are WRX owners, STI owners, things like that. They are releasing more products as they grow for us Forester, Outback, and Crosstrek owners. So I'm excited for some things to come. They're working on some hood struts, I know, and some other products. So once they get into more of an off-road brand, more of off-road products, you know, I'll be snagging some of those too. Go see the boys if you're at a Subaru event. I know they're going to all Subie events this year, 2026. So make sure you swing by, say hi, and grab some merch, grab some products, show them some love. And if you aren't already, make sure you like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. So that's it. Maybe 10 minutes total to change both of the filters on the Crosstrek.